In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Krea AI for beginners. If you've been curious about making AI-generated images or short videos without a steep learning curve, this walkthrough will get you creating confidently right away. Krea AI is a creative suite powered by artificial intelligence. It lets you generate, enhance, edit, and even animate visuals using plain language prompts. It's designed for all skill levels, so you don't need prior design experience to get great results. First, create your account on the official Krea AI website. Click Sign Up, choose email or a connected account, and confirm your email if prompted. Most people begin on the free plan. It gives you a limited number of generations. Perfect for practicing, learning the tools, and seeing what's possible before you upgrade. Once you're in, take a minute to explore the dashboard. You'll see a prompt box where you describe what you want the AI to make. Next to it are style options for looks like watercolor, realistic, or cartoon. In settings, you can adjust resolution, aspect ratio, and quality. There's also a gallery where your creations are saved so you can revisit or improve them later. If you're unsure where to start, leave most settings at their defaults and focus on writing a clear prompt. Now, write your first prompt. Describe the subject, atmosphere, and any visual cues that matter, like lighting or color. For example, a cozy reading nook with fairy lights, watercolor style, warm colors. More detail usually leads to more accurate results, but don't overthink it at first. You can refine as you go. Another strong example might be golden sunset over calm sea with birds flying, cinematic lighting. Before generating, choose a style and model. Krea supports multiple models with different strengths. Krea 1 is a reliable choice for general-purpose realistic images. Models like Flux or Nano Banana lean into stylistic or artistic interpretations. Try a few combinations to learn which one aligns with your vision. Click Generate and wait a moment. If the output isn't what you imagined, adjust your prompt, switch the style, or try a different model. Iteration is part of the creative process. Small changes can quickly move results in the right direction. When you're happy, download your image as PNG or JPG or share it directly on social platforms if that's available. On free plans, you may see a watermark, but it's still great for learning and experimenting. As you get comfortable, explore video generation, real-time editing with live updates, upscaling for sharper results, and even custom AI training to teach Krea your unique style. To recap, sign up, explore the dashboard, write a clear prompt, pick a style and model, generate and refine, then save or share. With a bit of practice, you'll turn simple ideas into polished AI art in no time.